Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 24. I'm trying to be really quiet, my sister's asleep. It's Christmas Eve! Yay! Look guys, the chalkboard only says one sleep until Christmas. And also, the S was too hard to just like rub off with like my fingers. It needs like some water, but I don't have water. Okay, that was weird. So I just crossed out the S, so it's one sleep with the S crossed out. Guess what day it also is? It's also my last day of work until Christmas. I kind of don't want to work. I don't want to work on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day either. I don't mind New Year's Eve, but I don't want to work on New Year's Day. But you know, I haven't got paid for the collab channel yet, so still having to work on the paper round. Yeah, let's go to work. Look how cute her little flower is. You're more like a little flop little baby. I was just watching Nisha and she just came and sat me like this. Little Flowey. The wind really messed up my hair on my paper round, so now I'm quite annoyed because like, but you know, and I look like this. Damn, that's scary. A floshy gourmet sandwich like I say in every vlog, but then I never show my sandwich because my sandwich actually looks really gross, but I just eat it straight away because I'm actually that hungry and I think I'm actually gonna starve. Yes, I just spent 2 hours of my Christmas Eve watch. Flo keeps sneezing. Like, she honestly, like, won't stop sneezing. This is baby girl. Baby, you alright? Yeah, I just spent 2 hours of my Christmas Eve watching the Dan and Phil last Undertale episode. Are you okay? Yeah, so 2 hours of my life. No, actually not 2 hours of my life. 1 hour each episode, and there's 10 episodes apart from this one. So actually 11 hours of my life. So Flo spent watching Dan and Phil play Undertale right from when they started playing it. So, you know. Are you okay? Yeah, but I feel really nostalgic about it. It's over. I need Undertale. Also need something to play Undertale on. Baby! Are you okay? Baby! What is wrong? What is wrong? Hey? Why do you keep sneezing? Oh, you just like fought that one off, didn't you? Baby, are you okay? Baby, I don't know what you need. Are you still sneezing? I can see your nose, you're still sneezing. Why won't you stop sneezing? Doggo. No. What's here? Baby, what is wrong? Don't sneeze on my phone. She's gonna go again. And she will. You wait for it. Oh, my phone. Chloe, I love you. I don't know why you keep sneezing, little baby. Okay. Anyway, guys, I need the laptop so I can do my thumbnail of yesterday's video. Please don't sneeze. I need the laptop so I can film this, do the thumbnail of yesterday's video and, like, set it to public and everything. But, like, my brothers and sisters are, like, tracking Santa on it, so I don't want to just be like... Oh, you're so cute. So I don't want to just be like, you're not tracking Santa anymore. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I can get off them. Also, guys, Elf isn't being put on TV this year, so, like, there's nothing for me to do. Also, the Santa Claus, that's not on until Christmas Day. Love Actually, not on until Christmas Day. All of these films that I wanted to watch this year, just not on. What am I supposed to dedicate my life to now? Right, guys, now I've got to do the rooms, which is my other brother and sister's bedroom and this bedroom, tidying them. While I do that, do you know what I'm going to listen to? I'm going to listen to the Polar Express soundtrack because your boy already listened to, like, all of the Christmas songs on my phone this morning when I did my paper run. So Polar Express already come, even though they are the best Christmas songs. Let's be honest. Now that leg was very triggering. I'm going to go tidy. Hey guys, so we just watched the best Christmas film of your life. You know, Shrek the Horse. Izzy's here. Yeah! You know how annoying she is when I vlog. Then we played Kahoot because we're a great family. My name was Shrek the Horse. Now we're going to try to find our stuff.
I'm here first!
Okay. Me. Where are the stockings though?
Hey, here! You got them! But what it mine?
Finding the stockings.
That one.
Which one's yours?
The one when I was a baby.
This is mine.
No, that one day goes.
That's Jerome's.
Who did it one day goes? No, what is it?
Oh, that's like one we got on like a holiday thing. That one's like Daisies or Blossoms.
I think that's Davy.
That was another one we got on like a holiday thing.
Oh, these are pretty.
This one's Daisies or Blossoms.
It's daisies, is it?
Let's see what
Which
Daisies
one's
are.
yours then, Liz?
You see, this is yours.
No, I made it out rainbow.
Yeah, but this one's yours.
Oh, that's yours.
That's it.
Yeah.
You got one? Got one, please?
Yeah, this one's mine. KFC. Stockings on the back of the chairs.
I'm really nice bonus chicken now.
Right, guys, we're gonna go watch. We're going on a bear hunt, which better be expect because it was like my childhood. Like if it isn't in like the we're going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one, we're not scared. If it's not like that, then I don't know. Like I don't know. So,
Those are all who truly believe.
Where is he now?
Italy.
Oh, Italy. Not far.
Lately. I'm wishing on a star. So nostalgic, the last one. Aww, that's a good one. I don't know Christmas jumpers. They have no Christmas jumpers. What is the last chocolate? A stocking. Ooh. Ouch. There's so much wet on the floor, it's not even funny. Stocking. Stocking up. Though actually for the sake of the transition that I'm going to do, I'm going to move it to here and then I'll video it and then I'll put it back up here because it has to be up here. But then when I get the presents they'll be on the end of my bed anyway. But yeah, you don't need to know that. As you're watching this, it will be Christmas Day or like this will be uploaded on Christmas Day. I don't know if you're going to watch it. Are you allowed to watch YouTube and TV on Christmas Day? We're not. Oh yeah, Alice, by the way, she keeps eating the teddy that you got me. I try to put it out to be aesthetic. Look how aesthetic I was trying to be. She keeps eating the teddy. Flo! Florrie! Are you eating the teddy? That's what I thought. Yeah. So, I'm going to end this vlog here. I don't know if I filmed much, but there wasn't really much to film. I think I filmed a lot of Flo sneezing, to be honest. Can you stop eating the teddy? I need to edit this vlog now and upload it and schedule it for tomorrow so that I can not have to edit it on Christmas Day. And so I have a lot of storage for Christmas Day because there's going to be a lot of footage. So get excited. So if you can hear Flo making weird sounds while she eats the teddy. Drinking out of the mug that Charlotte got me. I love how festive it is. Also, this one's yet to get out of the wash, which I put in the wash like 3 months ago. So I just sprayed it with like a load of Zoella Bake My Day perfume. It still smells really bad. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. And have a Merry Christmas, guys. Blossom is watching me vlog. Tell them Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye, guys.